folks, I'm HP and this is Dr. Pink, and today talk about a orange meditation guitar in a bluesy style, and this is how it's gonna sound. Yeah, this was now the version which we're going to learn, and I'm going to add a link in the description of an extended version of this that you can listen to this more in detail. Probably subscribe to my other YouTube channel where is more my composition work is featured. HPCrazy, yeah. Good. So let's get started. First of all, the sound setting. Here I have a little special effect on it. Hear that? This is a combination. You can do it without this effect, of course. Let's switch it off now. Yep, more or less switched off. Or is it? Okay. No, there are two delays on this one. One is a pitch shifter, which creates a reverses the signal which comes in and gives kind of a delay. So this is kind of and the second one is a normal delay. And the combination creates this reverse effect. You can also add any kind of a delay, just a normal delay. And if your delay has the feature reverse, set the setting on reverse, and then you have this more ambient kind of sound. Yeah, and then the tempo is very slow now, of course, and this creates this great thing. So now let's see how the thing is played. It's very easy to play, and there's on meditation music, the meditation feature, so breathing, and I just exaggerate a little bit. The breathing is also important, that the whole music flows really nicely. And the playing is not so hard, but to have your whole system in a meditative state, that's the point which this is about. That's why the playing is kept easy. The tune is orange, of course, and it's played in A major. So the first phrase which is played with finger picking. We have an A5, and out of this, see, thumb, index, middle finger. Then we switch here in the fourth, slide up in the fifth. Then we slide back in the half tone bene. Then we go back. All play legato. We don't attack the string at all. See? That's the phrase which is played. So first is thumb, index, middle finger. And then we end the phrase either like this, all legato, so we don't attack the strings at all. So we slide back up in the fourth, and then we tap in the second fret here on the D string. And this gives us a very smooth sound. And the second phrase is pretty similar. So we slide back from the bending, do the same thing now, But now we tap in the 5th fret. See? And make the lead ring effect. Keep this one. And this gives this rich sound in the combination with the reverse delay. It's great. And when you breathe during the whole phrase. So, exhale. Breathe in when you go up, breathe out when you stop. So, breathe out. And the breathing technique also has one effect, that you don't play too fast. You have a lot of space to do this. Breathe out. Wait. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now comes the second part, G5. Here the 3rd fret, attack D, G string, or also the B string. D5, just roll the fingers like, see? 3rd fret, 2nd fret, D5. Now comes this phrase here. 2nd fret here on the D string, hammer on, 2nd fret, 4th fret, 2nd, and just make like this. So then you have play the G string and then with the thumb the bass. Now how you want to create out of this very simple thing here, a long meditative thing, make little differences. Either in expression, in tempo, see, same thing, sounds different. And if you make these extreme pull-offs, you have this little extra effect. If you pull a little bit more, you have an extra effect. So either play once like this, or same thing, but another articulation. You can also add any kind of single note lines, either in A major, not either, just in A major, either on the B string, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 5th, 7th, probably, maybe 9th, 10, and here 2nd, 4, 6, 7, 9. What else is cool when you make this? See, you move up, you don't attack at all. Gives a very nice effect. Or here, no attacking at all. You make a very precise slide technique, and this creates the effect which you want. Yeah. What more to say? Then you can make like a little improvisation in between, but stick on the main theme. And pay attention to articulations. And that's the way how the cookie crumbles. Yeah. as I said in the beginning, the material is pretty simple. Keep it simple. Pay attention more to have a whole thing with the breathing, that you feel comfortable. You can make like a million of different expressions on this very simple phrase which I showed you in your personal way. Try to get in this orange state of mind. Think about a sunset or whatever. And don't forget to breathe. It's one of the most common problems when you play, forget to breathe. And when you pay attention to the breathing, you start get the slowness in the expression, the wide space which you can create, because the notes are not hard to play, but to create this wideness. That's the main thing which you have to pay attention to. Yeah, a link to the extended version of this is in the description. Check that one out if you want to have more inspiration about that, or meditate to this song here if you want. It's orange. And one more to say. Follow me on Spotify. Join my, oh my goodness, join my my meditation club. The link is also in the description. More information about meditation techniques, meditation music, which I do, is there. Also subscribe to my other channel, HPCrazy, as my artist channel, as a full composer, not only a guitar player. Yeah, and that's more or less what I wanted to say. Follow me on Instagram, HPCrazy. And now we are finished. And if you love what I'm doing, make donations once you joined the meditation club or the HPCrazy Students Club. Is all at the same place in the link in the description. And feed me and Dr. Pink, because we are so hungry. We can also always eat potatoes. Yeah. Dr. Pink, something more to say? Yeah, Dr. Pink is saying, be harmonized, be open to the world, and enjoy the world. That's the mission of today's tutorial.